In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find sites that are using most resources on your computer and how you can block them or how you can prevent them from using majority of the resources on your computer. So to find the sites that are using most resources on your computer, just head over to these three dots and then tap on it. Now from here, scroll down until you see more tools, and under it, look for the option called Task Manager, and here it is. So this will open up all the apps or all the websites that are running on your computer, and you'll also be able to see the resources they are using. So for instance, we have here YouTube is running, and you can see the amount of memory it is using, the CPU it is using, and the network, and also the process ID. So if you want to end any of these tasks from running on your computer or from running on your Chrome browser, then go ahead and just tap on it and then tap on end process. So if I tap on end process here, this will go ahead and end the process on my computer. Now if I go now to YouTube that was running, you can see I get this message, the snap message, because the website has been entered and it is no longer consuming most of the resources on our browser and on our computer. So that's how you can find websites that are consuming more resources on your browser and your computer. And in most cases, if your Chrome browser is slow, in most cases we have a lot of apps or we have a lot of sites that are consuming a lot of resources. So the best thing you need to do is to follow this process. Go ahead and then end their processes. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.